Hello, my name is Dawn, and a whole bunch of you call me.
Hey, Spice Dawn.
That's me, and that is Spice Colin behind the camera. I see so many consultants searching for replacement dishes for warmers that are no longer available. And they only keep the replacement dishes available for a short period of time. So we have to come up with a solution. And I kind of think of myself as like a solution seeker. So I'm going to make this video for you and give you some options because what I'm going to show you looks better than a cereal bowl, which one of my customers actually did on her warmer as a replacement dish. Now, getting the exact same dish would be ideal. What I'm going to share with you is not absolutely ideal, but like I said, it's still a very, very good option. And I think that if you're not recommending to your customers, would you like fries with that? Would you like a replacement dish with that? I mean, replacement dishes are pretty darned affordable, and that's why everybody loves Scentsy, because if you're clumsy and your pet breaks one of these dishes somehow, Scentsy offers a replacement for a short period of time. But if you've missed that window of opportunity, let me show you some options. Okay, now, this is clear glass dish, and this is the replacement for Daisy Lantern, which are both current warmers. Now, let me show you. We're going to use clear glass dish. This one seems like a little bit thicker and more like seedy and rustic looking. This is pretty much clear glass except for the few little fingerprints that I have on it. So now look. Boom. Also works on travertine, which is retired, also works on etched core. Is it ideal? No, but think about this. It puts a beautiful uplight on the ceiling. Do you know that there are 15 warmers, lampshade styles and whatnot, in the current catalog that have an uplight intentionally? Higher end warmers where people want a beautiful uplight on their ceiling. Plus, if you put like a deep red wax or something in there, you're going to get a nice little color splotch on your ceiling for just a little while. So that is working on that one. Works on Tilia. Okay, kind of cool. I don't mind this look at all. Even works on Beacon. Hard to believe. I thought this was for sure not gonna work. Even works on Hoot. Now, you definitely want to go back through your customer list of any of your owl lovers that may have purchased Hoot, because I think it's better for them to get the cool shaped dish with the little ink, okay? Because that is like part of why it's so cool. But if they break this, there you have it. A nice uplight. Now, does not, N-O-T, does not work on Live Simply. You know why? Because of the handles. Look at that. That's not gonna work. Okay, so that's, better get a hold of your Live Simply folks and tell them, unless they want to repurpose their warmers as a utensil holder or a pencil holder, that they just better go ahead and buy the dish that actually goes with it. Does not work in Cream Tulip. Cream Tulip is still in the current product line, and the dishes look spookily similar, but they're not, because these little arms on this rack keep it from sitting right. Okay, so you really got to get the right dish for Cream Tulip. This also won't work on Gold Tulip, which is one we had before, and I'm pretty sure it won't work on White Crackle either. Okay, so you need to get your customers who have purchased these tulip warmers to get the right dish for Cream Tulip or whatnot. Now, it also works on, well, let me tell you what it won't work on. It won't work on amber fluted. See the amber fluted over there by my TV? The fluteds in the tulips are just too wide and the hole is too big. It won't work in there, okay? But it will work on Gold Crush, Black Crush, Blue Crush, Starflower, probably the dog and the cat, although I don't have the dog and the cat here. They have the little balls. Pretty sure it'll work on that. And all of the other lampshade style warmers, rainbow, colors of the rainbow. There were a whole bunch that I looked in here. I had a whole list in my mind. Ocean Mosaic it will work on. Country Light it will work on. I mean, you have to really, I like to provide pretty decent customer service. So I have one of each of these in my own personal stash, that if a customer comes in with a warmer and they need a replacement dish, here, let's try it, see if that'll work. Now, you know that these dishes aren't going to be available forever, right? There may be other dishes that are listed in the workstation. Like, for instance, people can never find the right replacement dish for Amber Fluted, but it is the same replacement dish for Ocean Mosaic. So our workstation has it listed under Ocean Mosaic. Do they have it listed under Starflower, Ocean Mosaic, Black and Gold, Tulip, Rainbows, Blue Crush? Well, I meant, when I said Black and Gold, I meant Crush, not Tulip. But you guys get me, okay? So it's just a good idea to get a couple of these. You get PRV on them when you buy them as a consultant to have, so you can check. And then when somebody asks you, you can say, oh yeah, that works, that works. Again, is it ideal? It would have been ideal if your customer just added on the original dish when they bought the warmer, but that's not realistic to think that every consultant is going to remember to ask their customers to do that. Would be cool if we did, or that they did. But it's nice to know that we have a few dishes that can nearly, not always, but nearly be a universal replacement dish. So I really hope this helps. And if it does, share it with your peeps. Sometimes you can't share in groups because there's no share button because it's a group. So then what you do is you watch the video and then you copy the link in the top. And then you go copy, and then you can copy the link to share it in the group or wherever you want to share it. But anyway, now I got to put a lot of warmers back. But I hope this really, really helped. Bye.